Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Car has 1,623 miles, so it's basically brand new. So we don't need to go far. Just doing a quick road test. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Ignore the flickering there. That's just in camera. That's not in person. Suspension feels good. Brakes are solid. When you apply the brakes, steering wheel doesn't shimmy or shake. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So usually I go panel to panel, inches away, looking for any imperfections I can. And I just spent about 20 minutes looking for all of those flaws. And this thing is super, super clean. The only things I found on this entire car are right here on the lower splitter. There's a little rock impact right there. And then right here on the front bumper, it did get a rock chip. That's it. I've scanned every single component of this car inches away, and everything is absolutely perfect. There's zero curb rash on any of the wheels. All the body panels are perfect. And this is essentially a brand new car. I went inside and out, engine bay, trunk, door edges, everything, and there is nothing to pick apart on this car. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Paint looks amazing. And then even here on the splitter, you don't have any curb rash. So like I said, just that rock chip on the front bumper and that tiny rock impact on the splitter, and that is it. Car is bone stock. All of this looks amazing. Nice and clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks brand new. I have nothing to pick apart in here. Like I said, I go inches away looking for any imperfections. Bolster's amazing. I don't see any scuffs. Seat looks awesome. Alcantara's nice and smooth. You still have the factory plastic down there. Absolutely gorgeous. You still have that new car smell. It's a killer interior. Looks really good. Passenger door panel's perfect. Kick plate area looks good. There's nothing to complain about on this side. Bolsters look amazing. Zero imperfections on the seat. Absolutely gorgeous, and like I said, pretty much brand new. And all of this looks good.